Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and welcome to a coin review. This is a £2 coin that was 2022. If we look on the reverse, where's my pointy stick? Here it is. It is from Sandwich and South Georgia. It's a £2 coin from 2022. We have the Queen's portrait there, and we have the name and the date at the bottom. It's bimetallic. It weighs 12 grams. The diameter is 28.4, as we all know, and the issue for this coin is 2022. Now, it means to say there's 2022 in this particular format. If we just take it up a little bit and then I'll come down and show you the actual coin itself. We have on here, it's James Caird is the main character, who is this character here, I believe. Now, James Caird, he arrived at South Georgia and marked the beginning of the end of the rescue mission that James Caird headed. It was to save the crew of the Endurance from 1914 to 17. This took place, and it was known as the Imperial Antarctic Expedition. It shows here a set of ice cliffs at the back. Right at the bottom here we have the boat, and then we have the guys pulling a sledge. James Caird was sent to try and help, I think it was Scott at that time, who was missing, to try and actually a mission to actually save them and rescue them. It didn't quite work out. This coin is very much, it's a sad coin in some respects, but it also shows what endurance man has in facing these sort of trials. It is the fourth coin in the series. I'm not sure if there's any more. I've not seen any more since this one was issued, but that doesn't mean to say there won't be more of them this year. I have all 4 coins from this series, and I have enjoyed them. I think one of my favourite ones was the Scotsman in a kilt with his bagpipes with a penguin looking up at him. I thought that was quite funny and quite hilarious, but it's certainly a coin that stood out for me. I think it was the previous one to this one. What do you think of this coin? Do you have it in your set, or are you thinking about buying the 4 coins that make up this set so far? Tell me what you think. I actually enjoy this coin and I'm very happy that I've got it. I am a bit of a completionist though, and the problem is that once you start a series of coins, I don't want to miss one and not have a complete set, but that's just me. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you believe I deserve it, I also would be looking to expand my subscription this year. And if you are, start again Steve, at this point, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins from wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.